children. In this video, we are going to discuss about mass percent or weight percent. See, actually, when you are explaining the concentrations, there are number of methods are there to express the concentrations. The first thing is that the concentration of a solution or the amount of substance present in a given volume of solution can be expressed in following ways. The first method in this class we are going to discuss about mass percent or weight percent. This is only we are discussing in this class actually. There are some other methods also there. Volume percent, but it is not there in the syllabus. Mole fraction we'll take in the next class, very important one. Next, molarity, then molality. Finally, we're going to have normality, isn't it? But in this 11th class, this is no need for us. This one is also no need for us. Okay, so let me see what is this mass percentage and weight percentage. Mass percentage can be given by weight of solute and weight of divided by weight of solution here. To get percentage, definitely you have to multiply with 100 here. Now before that, what is solute and what is solution? Whichever part is, so actually solution is made upon by solute plus solvent actually. Solute plus solvent. Generally, this contains large and this contains what here? Small, less amount, okay? Small amount actually. The small amount in the solution is called solute. Large amount in the solution is called what? Solvent. For example, I have taken something what? 10 grams, okay, of something NaCl plus something what happened 90 grams of KCl. So with this what happened? We got a solution. Okay, just imagine the solution. Now this one is what? Small content. This one is small content and this one will be the large content. Now this will be how we can call as a solvent and this is called as solute, right? Now what is the formula for calculation of mass percentage? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution in grams into 100. What about volume percentage? Volume can be represented in terms of ml. Okay. Now your volume of the solute, isn't it, divided by volume of the solution into 100 here. So here we'll take in terms of grams. Here we'll take in terms of ml here. That is only the difference here. Grams and ml. Okay, we'll take some problem here. A solution is prepared by adding 2 grams of substance, okay, A, and 18 grams of water. Now here 2 grams of substance, this is small amount, 8 grams of another substance water, this is large amount. This will be what actually? Solvent and this will be solute actually. So solution means always solute plus solvent. Now when you observe here, mass percentage of A I need to calculate here. Okay, solute means what? Nothing but A here. This one I am calculating. Mass percentage of solute I am calculating. It's equal to what will be the formula? Mass of substance A divided by mass of the solution. How to mass of the substance they given actually? How much it is? 2 grams, right? It is given as 2 grams. And mass of solution means what happened? Solute plus solvent, isn't it? Solute plus solvent. Mass is equal to solution mass here. So now you are going to get answer is equal to what? You are going to get 2 by 20 into 100, that will be what? 10% actually. This will be the answer. 10% will be the answer. Very simple problem it is. What do you mean by 35% of glucose? If they say what happened, 35% of glucose solution means what here? You're having 35 grams of glucose, isn't it? 35 grams of glucose present in 100 gram of solution, isn't it? 35% of glucose solution means 35 gram of glucose present in 100 gram of solution here. That means 35 weight of glucose, how much here? 35 grams, isn't it? Then what about the weight of solution? 100 grams. No. Now what? How to calculate the weight of the solvent? Weight of the solution is equal to 100 grams, right? Now weight of the solvent, how you calculate? Weight of the solution minus weight of the solute will give weight of the solvent, right? Now you got the weight of the solvent is how much here? 65 grams actually, isn't it? Because weight of the solution is always equal to no. Weight of solution is equal to weight of solute plus weight of solvent. Now how to calculate weight of solvent? Now I am calculating weight of solvent. Now send this one here. Now we get this formula here. Okay, 35% of glucose solution means 35 grams glucose. Remaining is what? Water. Total solution will be 100 always. Next, another question. If we take calculate the mass percentage of benzene. Okay, calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. This is benzene. This one is carbon tetrachloride here. Now I have to calculate here mass percentage of benzene. What is the formula? Mass percentage of benzene is equal to weight of benzene divided by weight of solution here. So formula, mass percentage of benzene we got 22 grams. Mass of the solvent also they given, that is 122 grams. Now what is the mass of solution? That will be 22 plus 122. We are going to get 144 grams. You got mass of the solution 144, and what we are calculating mass of benzene is actually 22 grams. So formula will be what here? Mass percentage of solute is equal to mass of benzene divided by mass of solution. Now mass of benzene we are taking as 22 divided by 144 into 100. So we are going to get here what? 115.28 is the mass percentage of, isn't it, solute. What about mass percentage of solvent? Very simple. Again, mass of solvent by mass of solution into 100. Okay. Now otherwise what happen? We can also calculate in this. If there are only two substances are there, no. Now here mass percentage, isn't it, always can be calculated if you have A plus B is made up on by a solution. If you know the mass percentage of, isn't it, A is already known, then mass percentage of B will be what actually? Otherwise mass percentage of B is known. I want to calculate mass percentage of A, then 100 minus mass percentage of A, then we get the answer. Otherwise you take this formula again. Here you take what here? Solvent here. Take here what actually? Solvent. Substitute 122, and this will be the same. Here in the case of this one, what we get? 122 by 144 into 100. You will get the same answer. That is what? 84.72% actually. This is about the mass percentage.